Lake Park, North Carolina homeowners. Do you have mold problems that need the help of a local mold removal contractor? CCSS is a Normie-certified mold removal contractor with Crawlspace repair, structural repair, mold, and odor remediation experience. Call for your free inspection and get a $300 hotel voucher just for scheduling a free inspection. Dial 704-989-8219 or click our ad to learn more. Here's a testimonial from a delighted customer. He said, recommend them to anyone needing mold remediation crawlspace improvements. As a local, family-run business, we depend on our 5-star ratings from satisfied Lake Park, North Carolina homeowners. Call for your free inspection and a $300 hotel voucher.